A civil authority has issued a civil danger warning for the following counties or areas: Los Angeles, Orange, Riverside, San Bernardino, Ventura, California, at 11:30 a.m. on November 3rd, 2019, effective until 1:30 p.m. Message from IPOSCAP. The U.S. Pacific Command has detected a missile threat to Los Angeles. Missile impact on land or sea expected in 29 minutes. This is not a drill. If you are indoors, stay indoors. If you are outdoors, seek immediate shelter in a building. If you are driving, go safely to the side of the road and seek shelter in a building or lay on the floor. We will announce when the threat has ended. Take immediate action measures. This is not a drill.
There is no missile threat or danger towards the city of Los Angeles. The previous message sent at 11:30 a.m. was transmitted under hack.